Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by gathering essentials and taking immediate targeted actions. First, confirm device OS and router model so settings match. Make note of SSID, password, and whether you use DHCP or a static IP. Next, power cycle modem and router. Unplug 30 seconds, plug back, and watch LEDs. Once done, inspect Ethernet and coax cables for damage, and move sources of interference like microwaves or cordless phones at least 1 meter away. These steps prevent wasted time later. Now you'll run deeper diagnostics to pinpoint the problem. Start ping and traceroute from your device to the gateway and an external IP to see if drops originate locally or from the ISP. Once identified, check Wi-Fi channel congestion with a scanner. Switch to 5 GHz or pick a clear channel and reduce channel width to limit overlap. Update router firmware and enable Co-S to prioritize video or work devices, and create DHCP reservations for stability on critical machines. Finish by applying lasting fixes and validating success. If settings tweaking fails, backup config and perform a factory reset, then reconfigure SSID, WPA2/3 security, and strong passwords. Make sure guest network is isolated. Test using both a wired Ethernet connection and a second Wi-Fi client to confirm stability. If disconnects continue, collect evidence, continuous ping logs, timestamps, and firmware versions, and contact your ISP or hardware vendor with that data so they can escalate the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.